Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about cross multiplication method, which is one of the method to find solution of pair of linear equation two variable. Get started. So this is a general form of pair of linear equation two variable. A1, A2 is the coefficient of x and B1, B2 is the coefficient of y in both equation, and C1, C2 is the constant of both equation. This is the method cross multiplication. Here x is equal to b from this cross multiplication, x upon b on c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c on a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a on b2 is equal to a2 b1. X, the first term and last term, their cross multiplication. X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by b2 a1 minus b1 a2. Y also the second time and last time. You get c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and b2 a1 minus b1 a2. In both values, denominators are same. X is equal to, directly applying this formula, get a solution. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by b2 a1 minus b1 a2. Y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and upon b2 a1 minus b1 a2. Denominators of both values are equal. In solution, the three category: one solution, many solution, and no solution. First, one solution. Here, take one example. Solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. X plus y minus 14 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Directly can apply x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b2 a1 minus b1 a2. b1 is the coefficient of y, 1 into c2 constant in second equation, minus 4 minus 1. b2 is equal to minus 1 and c1 is equal to minus 14. Minus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 divided, you get numerator is 18 and denominator is 2 minus 2, then get 9. Y similarly, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, c1 is equal to minus 14, a2 is equal to 1, minus c2 is equal to minus 4, and a1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 into 1 and 1 into minus 2. Here minus 10 by minus 2 is equal to 5. So here 9 and 5 are the solution. X and y. In one solution, s and y have true values, x and y have only one values. Coefficient substitution, then get 9 and 5. This is the solution of given pair of linear equation. Another case, many solutions. Solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. Apply the values in coefficient. 1 into minus 9 minus b1 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to minus 9, minus b2 is equal to minus 3, and c1 is equal to minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Then denominator b2 is equal to minus 3, and a1 is equal to 3, minus b1 is equal to minus 1, and a2 is equal to 9. Here get 0 by 0, y also 0 by 0. So many solution, the final value is 0, 0, which is non-defined number. In the case of many solution, x value is 0 by 0 and y value is 0 upon 0. 0 upon 0 division by 0 is undefined. So many solution, the final value is 0 by 0, which is non-defined number. Third case, no solution. Here two pair of linear equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the formula. Apply the coefficient b1 3, c2 minus 7 minus b2 6 and c1 minus 8. Denominator b2 is equal to 6 and a1 is equal to 2, minus b1 is equal to 3 and a2 is equal to 4. So minus 27 by 0 division by 0. Here y is equal to minus 4 by 0. So no solution, denominator is 0. In many solution, both numerator and denominator is 0. In many solution, both numerator and denominator is 0. In no solution case, only denominator is 0, both are, that is a difference. In many solution case, numerator and denominator is 0. In no solution, numerator is any real number and denominator is 0. So no solution case, the final x and y value is non-defined number. The graph is parallel lines. Next conclusion, one solution, many solution and no solution. In one solution, x and y have true values. X and y have only one values. Many solution, the x and y value is 0 by 0. Both numerator and denominator is 0. The value is non-defined number. No solution, the x and y value is p upon 0, where p is any real number. The x and y value is non-defined number. Graph is in one solution, graph is intersecting line. Many solution, graph is coincident line. No solution, graph is parallel line. Now here complete 3 cases, one solution, many solution, non-solution. Cross multiplication method is one method for finding solution of pair of linear equation 2 variable. Here concluded all the concept about cross multiplication method. Thank you for watching.